Hey everybody, welcome to live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 7th July and we are in New York session over here. Let me just play a song so that uh, okay. So here in GBPJPY this 30-minute candle just got closed here and the new 30-minute candle just uh, started here around 8 minutes ago. Yeah, so now it's coming down right now. So what I'm doing here is that I'm waiting for a candle to come down and create some sort of support over here, and then it should be going up. But by looking at this scenario over here in the 4 hour, what I'm seeing here is that the market just went up. Yesterday the market just closed all the way down here. Now this previous 4 hour candle over here went up, rejected the whole area over here and closed below that area. Now the current 4 hour candle uh, just went straight up to this level over here from the left, and now kind of rejecting that area and just reversing back right now. So if we look at the daily over here, then the daily looks like it's going bullish, but if we look at the left, then it's a huge resistance over here and market can easily fall down from this level. So if you go to the weekly over here, then the weekly looks like it's retracing back in its own range, and it can just go down again to and extend further in the next few days of this week. Yeah, so I think in short, GBPJPY should be falling from my analysis. Hello PS Gore, how are you? Sorry guys, yesterday I wasn't able to stream. I wasn't able to stream yesterday, so because renovation is going on, so I will be having access to my computer and everything, only sometimes. So I really don't know whether I will be doing the live streams daily or not. It will take 5 days, maybe 5-6 days more for the renovation to complete. So I'll try to make the live streams every day, but let's see. Okay, so here let's see what we can do here, what we can analyze from this. So let's go to the 15 minutes over here, and if we just zoom out a little bit, then we know that by looking at the 15 minutes right now, it looks like that it will be going up to this area at least, which is having 22-24 pips of range. But I really don't know about the 4 hour right now, because 4 hour is quite confusing. Okay, so let's just check here where we were coming from. Let's just remove everything from the graph and let's just reanalyze everything. Okay, so we were coming from this point. Okay, and this point, as you can see, is a strong zone if we look at the left. Okay, and now we need to see where we came to, right? So it came to around this area over here. Let's see, let's just draw this thing also. I think this is the perfect place to place our resistance over here, and the market is now tapping that area. Now it can reject that area, and after rejecting that area, it can really go down to this level over here. Let's just get some more information. It looks like that it will be going to this area over here again. So yeah, so first level will be 153.190, and I think it will be going up again. And let's see how the market will be moving. So right now, 15-minute candle is about to close in 4 minutes over here, and I think GJ can easily go up to this level over here. Let's just draw this level. Let's go to 30 minutes and see. Yeah, GJ can easily go up to this level, and if we go to the 15 minutes again, then it's reversing back now. So that's a good thing over here, because what I'm looking for is I want the next candle to create a lower wick and break the high of the previous 15-minute candle. So that's what I want here, because after that, once that happens, I'll be executing a buy trade, and I'll be having 32 pips of range. And if I look at the 4 hour over here, then the 4 hour is also bullish. So I don't think that it will be, there will be a problem for the 4 hour candle to move up. But the thing is, I really need to keep in my mind that once the GJ will be tapping 153.190, I really need to close some partials, because because if GJ reject that level, then it will be coming all the way down to 152.178. So that's something is which is bothering me right now. And that's really it, because actually the thing is, you know this here, this was an extremely good trade. From this point, this was a beautiful and easiest trade we can get here, but really missed that. Okay, anyways, so let's see. So let's just draw some things over here. Okay, so we need set up something like this. So right now the information we are having is this is a pi trend line, and sorry, not pi trend line actually. This is a channel going on right now, and uh, GBPJPY should be respecting the lower channel over here and should be moving up from this point, but it's only having 20 seconds left here to close, and after 20 seconds the next 15-minute candle will be starting. So we need to see where it will be, starts to go, because it really needs to make something which by which we can just trust the analysis and go for the trade. Let's see here. Okay, so the previous 15-minute candle closed bearish. Now if this 15-minute candle breaks the high here, I'm gonna execute the buy. But I really don't think that this candle will be closing by, because I think this 30-minute candle will be closing bearish, and if it's closing bearish, then that means this 15-minute current candle can go all the way down, which means in the 5 minutes, yeah, in the 5 minute, the 5-minute candle just broke outside the trend line over here, and I think one candle will be closing bullish and the next candle will be going all the way down. So it may respect this area over here, but we will be seeing in few hours over here what kind of setup it will be creating and how I'm gonna trade that. So let's see. Right now GJ is really aggressive and having a lot of volume, but the thing is, really, need to just be very patient here, because GBPJPY wasn't moving much, So yesterday this move was there, and this move was is getting corrected right now. So let's see. Okay, so let's draw some lines here. Uh, let's just okay. So this is 1 hour. This is 30 minutes over here, and this is 4 hour, right? So let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's just check this also. If we zoom out a little bit, then okay, you know what? I think GJ can go up to this level over here, 153.434. Yeah, because that's the only supply zone over here, and I think it should be going up to that level to go down. So once it taps that level again, it should be going really down. So I think we have a range till that level. So, and that's a really good range. So let me just stretch this line out over here and see. Okay, so this is another level right now. So now we know that GJ is going up. So by going up to this level over here, that means the move yesterday happened will be corrected. And if that move is about to get corrected, then that means we will be having a trade really soon. Let's just draw some lines. Let's just remove these lines first. Okay, so this is 1 hour. It came down, rejected, came all the way down. Now let's see, what do we have? Okay, so this is something we have here. Okay, so this is another channel here. This is also a channel going on. Let's just minimize it. So guys, I'm gonna execute the buy trade once it crosses above this level over here, this level, because that will be the high of previous 15-minute candle. And if this candle will be crossing above this level over here, I'm gonna execute the buy trade. So 5-minute candle just closed with no wick. Which is not a good sign here. Hey Saman, how are you? Would you please explain how to fix stop loss totally? Uh, Saman, can you please explain what do you mean? How to fix stop loss? What does that mean? Because if this current 30-minute candle starts to reverse back and break the previous candle's high, then their chances of going up will be very high. Because at that time we can say GJ will be going up to test the upper trend line, and which will be giving us at least 20 pips. At least 20 pips, yes. So once it taps to that trend line, we can get out of the trade. Okay, so let's see here. What do we have on the sell side? Nothing here on the sell side. Yeah, buys is totally buy. How to choose stop loss for a trade? Okay. Basically, there are so many ways of giving stop losses, right? So one is, let me just show you. Suppose if this current 15-minute candle breaks this high over here, then what I'm going to do is I'll be placing my stops below this current candle over here, and that's it. That will be my impulse entry stop loss over here. So I can also place my stops below this candle over here, but let's see if I calculate this, then that will be around 24 pips, which is really high for me. Okay, so if I give a stop loss here below the current candle's low, that will be around 15-16 pips over here, so which is okay for me. But I'll also reduce that thing also, because that's also really huge for me. The best stop loss for me is only 10-11 pips, that's it, not more than 10-11 pips. So maybe I will be giving my stops below the current 5-minute candle, which will be around 12 pips, which is really okay for me. So by doing this, I can really place stop loss, by so many ways and at so many places. So these are the two ways over here. So if you're taking an impulse entry, just place your stop loss below the current candle's high or the current candle's low. Uh, so that's the stop loss for the impulse entries. But if the stops are really good in your comfort range, so you can also give the stops, below or at the high of previous candles. So yeah. Okay. So right now 6 minutes left here. Let's see if 30 minutes candle is also okay. So 30-minute candle is bearish right now. So what will be happening is, if the next 30-minute candle breaks the high of the current 30-minute candle, then it surely will be going up. And I really want to grab these 30 pips over here. So let's see, I'll just try to grab those 30 pips. So now we just need to wait here. You are really welcome, Saman. Because this is the point, on the point which is which is market right now is that, uh, you know from this point the market really can reject and go all the way back. So that's why it's really important for us to be very careful and patient. So now we have 4 minutes left here for the current candle to close. So I'm really expecting the 30-minute candle to close bearish, and that will be a good thing for us, because if the next candle starts to break the high, then the chances of going up will be really high. So now the next 1 hour candle is about to start in 1 hour. Oh, sorry, in 2 minutes over here, and I think let's see here. If we are just guessing that the next 30-minute candle will be breaking the high and continue moving up, that means the next 1 hour candle should be moving all the way up. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's see. 15-minute candle is going up right now. I'll be just ready. Okay, so the candle has just closed here, and let's see. Let me just remove all these things over here. Alright, so here's the thing. Now, if we go to the 30 minutes over here, then sorry, not 30 minutes, on the 15 minutes over here, a new support has been formed, right? So where was the previous support? Let's see. So previous support was here at this point, and the market just went up, and now the market has just created a new support at this point. Let's look at the left. Let's look somewhere at the left. Yeah, and this support here is coinciding with this support over here, and from here the market just got its supply zone, so it just went all the way up. So if we keep in that mind, then I really think that if this current 15-minute candle respects the previous low, then it should be going really up, but for that it really needs to respect the previous candle's low. Okay, so now it's breaking the lows over here, and that's really not a good sign for buys. So it really needs to reverse back and go up. If that doesn't happen, then I really don't know. Let's see here. For our 1 hour. Let's see, 30 minutes. 30 minutes right now. By looking at the 30 minutes over here, it really looks like that it should be going up. 4 are also bullish. So if this 15-minute candle breaks the low over here, then how far we can go? I think that will be a risky trade. Yeah. Oh, nice. Now it's rejecting that area. Let's open this thing over here. Yeah. So now the current 30-minute candle is respecting the previous 30-minute candle's low over here. And now if the current 30-minute candle will be breaking the high of the previous 30-minute candle, then I'll be taking a buy trade. TNFAT is saying, hey, how are you doing today? I'm good, how are you? Trading Indian is saying, hi Abhi, just found your channel, good to join you. Well, you're really welcome here, Trading Indian. And thank you for subscribing my channel. So 5-minute candle is about to close here in 50 seconds right now, and let's see if we have some more information. Right now I really don't think we have any information available, but if we just join these levels over here, yeah, this makes sense. And if we just delete this level over here, yeah, now it looks more clean here. So now if it starts to go up and break this high over here, then that means it will be going up to this level and further to this level. Let's just see what will be happening. Because I think yesterday this move came down, will be corrected today by going up. So 5-minute candle just stopped here, and the new 5-minute candle is now going on. So let's see. Do you trade gold or only GJ? I used to trade gold earlier, but I do not trade gold anymore, and I only trade GJ now. I was looking at the gold since it was here. So it came down, created a low, went really up. The reason I don't trade gold now is it's just I'm not really comfortable by trading gold, because the stops are really big in gold, and we really don't need to risk that amount on a single trade. Even though you are good at managing the risk, sometimes gold will be giving you a real pain, by just reversing in a single second and stopping you out. So that at that movement, if your stops is really 15-20 pips, then you're just losing extremely high amount, because obviously most of the people use big lots here, and if you are losing a trade on a gold on a big lot, then I really don't think that's a good idea. I risk around let's see, I risk around, I think, 4 to 5% per trade. I risk around 4 to 5% per trade. So I use 50 cent lot on a $1,000 account, and I use 20-cent lot on a, I think on a $300 account. Yeah. And I just got a new account yesterday. uh, the person is really in a very messed up position. Let's just open his account here, log in here, and I'll show you. Let's see. Oh, it's he's at MT5. Let's just open a MT5 terminal here. Let's just open the terminal MT5. That's $8,000 account, and its equity is running at 2400 only. So he's in a total messed up position. 4 to 5% quite high, but you got good hand and control or adjust your risk on every trade. Yes, that's why I am able to use 4 to 5%, because to use I used in the starting I use only 1 to 2% only, and with time I just increased everything, because I know I'm good at managing the risk. So that's why this is what this is a demo account. Yeah. Okay, so let's open his account over here. Log into a trade account. No, not this. Open account. Admiral Markets. Okay, so yeah, this is the account over here. Oh, equity just fall to 1800 right now. So I'm gonna, you know, take this account up, and yeah. So I'm gonna take this account up by trading it manually. So let's see. So 3 accounts are here right now, and let's see. The market just got stuck here. But we still got at 18 minutes here. So let's see. Good challenge. I think he have active position of minus 6k, or he closed it and give the rest to you. No, no, no. All the positions are opening in his account. Look at here. All the positions here are opening in his account, and it's just running right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just make profits, and I'll just closing losses out of that profit. So by doing that, I'll be able to recover these. So yeah, that's a really huge challenge here. But I think if I use one lot in this account here, that will be a really good thing. So 50 cent on 1000, and yeah, one lot on this equity over here. So I can take that account up really fast. Oh, it's raining outside. Nice. It's huge. I think he didn't use stop loss ever, and neither follow risk management. Yeah, you can say that. But it's alright, because every new trader do this mistake, and that's how everyone learns. Let's see here what the 30-minute candle is doing. 30-minute candle, it's doing struggle here. Yeah, it's just struggling at this point. 15-minute candle closed here with by creating a resistance at this point. So this is a resistance over here, and now 15-minute created another resistance at this point. And if this breaks this low over here, then I think it will be moving down. But I really need to stick to my buys, because the market trend is really up right now for right now. Okay, so I'll just stick to my buys here. because if I take a sell, then that means I'll be okay. That means I'll be anticipating the 1 hour candle to move all the way down, 30-minute candle to break this low and move down, 4 hour candle reversing all the way back. I really don't know. I'm really not comfortable. So let's see. Let's just see here. Yeah, there is no range for sells actually. For sells, I need a resistance to be formed in the 30-minute candles, because 30-minute candle is a really good confirming time frame. So I won't be executing the trade on the basis of 15-minute time frame here, because the market is moving bullish and I really cannot do that. So I need something. This is one resistance over here, so I need another resistance to be formed here in the 30 minutes to execute the sell trade. So yeah, even though if it comes down to break the low and starts to move down, but still needs some good confirmation here. Because every time frame is just bullish right now. This 4 hour is really bullish. 15-minute kind of choppy. 30-minute is also bullish. So okay, 15-minute is coming down. Fifteen-minute candle just broke the low here. 30-minute candle is also about to break the low. 4 hour is reversing back. I think it will be going down. Yeah, it just broke the low. Now let's see how will it be reacting to this level over here, because that level is a level on the 30 minutes here. So let's see if it can cross this level here or not. Because the thing is, the range here is really low. It's just 8 pips. So there was no point taking a sell trade at that point. Let's see if it goes 10 pips down or not. So we still got 38 minutes left here for the New York volume to come in. Okay, it's coming down now. About to tap this area over here. Oh, it came down 7.5 pips now. So this candle just closed with no wick. So this will be 10 pips over here. Let's see if it can tap 10 pips or not. It just tapped 10 pips. Nice. So this could be a very good trade here, but riskier also on the same side. Because look here, the 30-minute candle is now tapping on the support zone over here from the left. It can reject this area and can go up. But if it doesn't go up, and yeah, if it doesn't go up and doesn't reject this area, then that means we will be having another resistance to be formed, and it will be going all the way down, which means that it will be going down to test this low over here, which will be giving us around 50 to 40 pips range to trade. But on the other hand, still got 4 minutes here. Okay, so on the other hand, if the next 30-minute candle goes up, break the highs, then I think that will be the point we can execute the buy trade. Look, this was the rejection I was talking about. It's going up again. I think it will be tapping this area over here, and if it crosses that area, then it should be moving up. Because whenever the market do things like this, most likely it's just retesting your patience, testing your patience here. Because most of the traders makes mistake whenever they lose their patience and they just enter at the wrong price and at the wrong place. So that's where they just lose their patience and make losses. So if you just think like this every day, that it's okay if I miss it, if I miss a move today, that's really not a problem for me. I'll be catching that move another day or tomorrow, then it will be all okay, because at that point you will be saying to yourself it's really normal to miss a trade, and you cannot catch every move, so it's all right. So the whenever that move will be happening the next time, you will be ready at that time and you won't be missing that trade. So that's it, which will increase your accuracy basically, and this will reduce your over trading, because Now you will be ready to miss the trade. Look here, I just missed a trade in front of you guys here. At this point I was thinking that, to take a sell trade, because the market was moving outside the trend line, everything was perfect, but there was only one thing which was not perfect, which is this rejection zone over here. So that's why I just left this trade. So it just went all the way down, tapped 10 pips, but it's alright. I'm gonna catch this move some other day. Plus the bias is also buy right now for me. So that's why. Because if the price stays above 152.918, then it's a buy. If the price starts to go down below 152.918, then it will be turning out to be a sell, but not instantly, but later on. Yes. Alright, so 30-minute candle just closed bearish over here, and the new 30-minute candle has been started right now, and let's see. The 1 hour candle just broke the low of the previous 1 hour candle over here, and now retracing back. So might be coming down, breaking the low and stretching the 1 hour candle more down. Okay, it's moving up now. Let's see here. Now it's about to break the high over here. And if we look at the 1 hour, oh sorry, yeah, 1 hour here, then 1 hour is leaving a huge rejection wick at this point, and this 30-minute candle is moving up. Let's see here. Let's see 45-minute candle. Yeah. So the thing is, if this 45-minute candle breaks this high over here, 153.169 area, I'm gonna take a buy. Yes, that will be a really good idea. How you trade with high volatile news like NFP or interest rate? You avoid taking trade. No, not really. I basically trade those newses with my news trading robot. That's a basically semi-automatic robot. So that robot I use just because I need that robot protects me from getting slipped out in the market. It always avoids slippage, and if there is a spread, you know if at the time of news, as you know, that the spreads get higher. So if the spreads gets higher in a very unusual way, like it just went up to more than 4 5 6 pips, then it does not open any trade. So it just protects me from slippage and spread. So that's why I use that robot to trade the news. And that robot uses trend line to drop to as a buy stop or sell stops. So, and every setting is just automatic. So I trade the news. Sometimes I don't trade, but sometimes yes I do. So my execution point will be 153.169. Okay, I stopped trading after I make 3% loss at NFP session. Okay. Yeah, because trading those sessions are really dangerous sometimes. So what I do is I have opened a separate account in which I have just put only $30 to $40 just to trade the news. And I use extremely high lot sizes because I have high leverage in those accounts, so it just gives me a good lot size also. So I just trade that thing with that. because mostly at the time of non-farm payrolls, the market just moves in a zigzag movement. It just spike up, spike down. Usually, it just do that. And if you are trading gold in NFP, then trust me, guys, you will be facing huge spread thing. The spreads are really huge at the time of gold, so my robot never opens any trade on gold. It always slips out, and it just the spreads are really insane in gold at the time of newses. Okay, look at this moment over here. Nice. Okay. I think it's coming from here. If we just draw this thing. Okay, so now I get this. That's why it's going up from this point over here. Guys, anytime it can really go up, just be ready here. I'm gonna enter buy once it crosses above 153 point, I think 180 level. Yeah, 180 level is good. We'll be having a clean range of 32 pips. So in this account, where is GJ? It's trying to go up now. Let's see here. 30 minutes looks good. 30 minutes breaking the highs, respecting the lows. 45 minute. What is 45 minute doing? 45 minutes just broke the low, now trying to break the high, and got 15 minutes left here. 15 minutes left here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take a trade once this it crosses above this level. Let's get ready. Okay, so it's rejected that level here. Oh, nice. Let me just open one click trading here. Export advisor, trade. Look at this. That's why really important for to wait for the levels to break. So maybe this 15-minute candle taking the market market higher. So it just created a support and now it's moving up. Let's see. It's about to break the high anytime now, but really in a delicate situation right now, because really don't know whether the market will be going up, because right now the market is stuck at the rejection zone it was earlier at. So if it wants to go down, let's just hope that it should go down from this level only, because once it starts to break the high over here on 53.181 level, it can really push up. By looking at other things here, I really think that GJ will be going down, but okay, nice. It's rejecting this area now. Rejecting this area. It didn't broke that area, so now it's rejecting the area which it rejected earlier. So now the bias might be starts to change from buy to sell, but not sure about that. Okay, let's also check here if there is any news or not. Yeah, and FMC minutes, okay. Nothing much is here. So the 5-minute candle just closed with no wick on the bottom. Now now if a 5-minute candle breaks this level over here, then the chances of going up has been increased. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now I see some symmetry here. Yeah, there is this symmetry forming at this point. You know what, guys? I think it should be falling down. Yeah, it's going up right now. So it just went down. Okay, went down, went up, went up, went down, going up. It might test this or touch this upper trend line, but most likely, let's see here. Yeah, it should be what I think is it should go up a little bit, touch this trend line, and after that it should be giving us this move over here. So that will be a downward selling move. So it's doing some symmetrical thing over here. Yeah, look how beautifully these areas rejecting the same areas here. So for now, yes, buying is fine here. We can buy on this level, but long term scenario is sells. Where are you based? I'm from India. Uh, right now, we are at this leg over here. So this should be a quick leg going up. So, and after going up, it should be falling down. So I think if it really wants to go up, then this will be the level over here, 153.863. Okay, so now 30-minute candle is having just 4 minutes left here, and 1 hour candle is only having 4 minutes left here to close. It's a really risky situation. 45 minutes will be also closing. I know, but which part of India? I'm from Mumbai, but based in London now. Okay, I'm from Delhi. So GBPJPY just needs to stay two more minutes here under this price over here, and I really don't know it will be going up or not. Let's see if we have some more information available. Yeah, we do have, we have this information available, and again another channel right now. So I think this channel is of no more use for now. Right now it's just moving aside this channel. Oops, wrong trend line. So now it's breaking the low over here. Let's see here. 4 hour looks good. 30 minutes looks like rejection candle is forming, and it's rejecting this area from the left. Okay, so guys, in few seconds there will be NY open, and so if the next 30-minute candle breaks the low over here, then I think that will be a good opportunity to execute a sell, because we have this clean range here. So let's switch to 30 minutes and check. Yeah, so the new 30-minute candle has just starts forming here, So the cells will be below this area. Okay, so there is another thing here. If the 1 hour candle now starts to go up, break the high, then it should be going up. So 176. Yeah, the buying area will remain the same. It just a sell area has been added here. So there was no volume in pre-NY. There, I don't know whether there will be volume in pre-NY open or not. So yeah, the London was good. It it just this was the trade in London session over here. Straight 20 pips. GBP USD is really going up, but I don't understand why GJ is stuck here. Anyways, let's read out some candles over here and see. So this is the resistance formed. Previous 30-minute candle rejected that resistance, closed back a weak bullish candle, and the current 30-minute candle is also rejecting that area, coming down. Let's see. So 1 hour candle, the previous 1 hour candle was a weak bearish candle creating a huge rejection wick here, and now the current 1 hour candle is coming down Looks like it's rejecting the uh, sorry, the current one candle is coming all the way down right now. Looks like it's also rejecting the trend line and about to fill the wick here a little bit, and then it will be reversing back again to go up. So there are so many possibilities at this point, and but I think yes, GJ will be going down, but before going down it will be tapping this area over here, which will give us 20-30 pips. So yes, because once it gets tapped that area, it will be tapping that area. That means it can continue moving down, and a big move will be coming after that, right? Like this move over here. So this kind of move will be coming after that, which also suits the symmetry. This whole area is a symmetrical forming here. I think with volume it can really go up now. So this 4-hour candle is having around 50 minutes left here to close. That means this 1-hour candle left here to close. So if this 1-hour candle manages to break the high over here, then I think that will be a good opportunity to take a buy trade, because then we will be having this whole clean candle to cover up, and this clean candle is around 30 pips. 15-minute candle is about to close here. Let's see. 15 minutes. Okay. I think this candle will be coming all the way down because it's created a resistance over here, and now it's about to break the low of the previous 30-minute candle, and I think with volume it will be coming all the way down. So I'm gonna, I think, execute this sell trade. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna execute the sell trade at 152.901 level. But I'm really not sure about that. Let's see. I think we can. Look, 30-minute candle just crossed below this level over here. So yeah, I think this will be a good level over here to execute the sell. This candle will be closing in few seconds. Let's get ready here because the volume can be stretching this candle here, and let's see what is actually happening? So it's changing the direction, I think. Yeah, I think it's changing the direction now, and anytime it can really fall. So that this will be a good price to sell 900. Yeah, okay. Got 10 minutes left here for this 30-minute candle to close. 1 hour candle looks like okay, it looks like not good here. Actually, I'm really not comfortable taking this trade, so I won't be taking this trade because I don't feel it comfortable here. Because the thing is, look, the 1 hour candle, previous 1 hour candle also rejected the same area here, and it came down all the way down and it rejected that area, right? So this 1 hour candle can also do the same exact thing. It just came all the way down, tapped the same area, now it starts to reject that area. So to go down, really need to, wait for a proper kind of thing forming, and then only I can execute the cells. Yeah, the 1 hour candle just came down here. Yeah, this was the low, I think. Yes. So this was the low of the 1 hour candle, previous 1 hour candle, and this is the low of the current 1 hour candle over here. Now they both just rejected the same price, right? So if the tradable trade, the executable trade will be once the price breaks this level over here, because the previous 1 hour candle didn't break this price, and the current 1 hour candle is also failed to break this price. So if the current 1 hour candle will be breaking this price, then it will be a good idea to execute a sell trade, but yeah, that will be the only good idea. Okay. It was a really good idea that I didn't executed the trade once this 30-minute candle just break this low over here, because 5 minute was not showing anything confirming. Now we just need to see whether the price will be going up or whether the price will be breaking this low and this price over here, because now we got only 7 minutes left for a 30-minute candle to close, and let's see how that will be closing. So let's see, 30-minute candle. 30-minute candle will be closing like this. Really a messed up thing over here happening. Maybe it's getting ready to just fall down. That's why some choppiness is there in the market right now. Oh, it's coming down here. So now 3 minutes just left. Really a delicate situation right now. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close. I won't be executing any trade now. I'll just wait here. I'll just wait here. Sorry. Because in the last 2 minutes, taking a trade will be a really disastrous idea, because it can really just, break the price we want, and it can really reject suddenly and close back in the range. So I have seen these things happening all the time in the past. So I'll just wait here for 2 more minutes, and after that I'll decide whether I need to trade this thing or not. So if I just check the 1 hour candle over here, it looks like the 1 hour candle will be going all the way down. Basically will be following this channel over here. Yeah. Just need to wait for 20 more seconds here. Okay, so 1 hour just broke the low here. but the low was broken in the first few seconds. Oh, that's a really bad situation here. This low was broken in the first few seconds here. That's really not a good thing. I don't like this thing over here. I'll just wait here. Cannot execute the trade because the low was broken in the first few seconds here. So it really needs to create upper wick, reject this area, and then should fall down. But sometimes it can just go all the way down, just like that. Let's see how this 5-minute candle will be closing, and on the basis of that 5-minute candle, I think this will be a formation of symmetry over here. Yeah, it should. We are right now on this leg over here. Now it should go up and then should continue down. So I'm gonna wait here for this kind of symmetry to be formed before to execute the trade. "13 seconds remaining now." Look, that's why whenever the market just break the low in the first few seconds, possibly it rejects all the time. So the market was falling from this level over here, and this is a huge rejection point. Yeah, it's rejecting that area now. Still got 2 minutes left here. So if this whole up move was a retracement, then we will be noting, we'll be getting a downward fall very soon. And I think this 4-hour candle will be rejecting this area and will be closing back in here somewhere around. So we need to be get ready to execute sells. Let's see how this will be going. "45-minute candle also broke the low, but retracing all the way back. 1-hour candle also broke the low, retracing all the way back. Okay. 5-minute candle just closed bullish over here, and the current 5-minute candle is also struggling right now. Let's see. 4-hour candle will be closing in 40 minutes here. Now the question is whether will the 4-hour candle be going all the way up, retracing its own wick, or the 4-hour candle will be rejecting this area and closing somewhere around here, coming 30 pips straight down. So that's a question here. Okay, so now I think if the 5-minute candle will be breaking this price over here, then I think we can take a sell trade. Now we have information available also. Let's just draw this line here. Yeah. So I'll wait for the price to come out a little bit below this lower trend line, and then I'm gonna execute the trade. Because I really think that this 4-hour candle will be retracing all the way back. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna take a sell trade at this point. If this candle, yes, this will be a good point here. Let's get ready. I'll take a sell trade at 152.812 level, because if it wants to reject this area, it can reject this area right now. Okay, I think it will be coming down. Just took a sell trade. Yeah, so I just took a sell trade here. Now just need to wait and see. Let's see. Short position. Kept my SL at high of the current 5-minute candle, and my TP will be all the way down. Oh, look at this rejection over here. Let's just this is a huge rejection happening. Really not expecting the price to go up. But if it starts to go up, then need to manage the risk as well. Oh, so this candle just closed inside this trend line here. That's not a good sign. 15-minute candle closed. I'm gonna get ready here. Where is this trade? Okay, 0.1. So I really want the price to break this level here. If this candle breaks this level, then it can really go down to this level, because that will be completing this symmetry over here. Because this came down and going up was this move over here, and now this leg should be completed at this point. So that's what I'm really expecting to happen. Plus the clean range is also here at this point. It will be good trade if 30-minute wick first. Yeah, technically yes, because actually the thing is, 30-minute candle just came down with no wick on the top. That means there is a lot of selling pressure on the market. So I'm hoping for that pressure to take the market really down, and the 30-minute candle to really stretch all the way down. Because if that happens, then this leg over here will be completed here. That will be a symmetrical move happening. So I'm just waiting here for this current candle to break this price over here. Once this candle breaks this price, then it will be really going down in one or two candle max. So that's what I'm hoping here. So we got a huge rejection here. Now just want a candle to break this price here. Now the 10 minutes just left here, and in the last 10 minutes this 4-hour candle can go all the way down. Yeah, it's breaking the low here. Now volume should be coming in, and I really think that this candle should be coming all the way down, breaking this price over here. Because only thing I can see is this mirror move happening here. Yeah, it just broke the low here on this broker. Now it should be going all the way down. Sorry. Oh, it just rejected that area. What time frame is this? This is 5 minutes time frame. Yes, 5 minutes. This 5-minute time frame is based on the 4-hour time frame and all the higher time frames. So what I'm going to do here is to manage the risk. I'm gonna close half once this 5-minute candle breaks the high of the previous 5-minute candle. Yeah, because it just broke the low and rejected that area. Yes, actually the 4-hour candle is retracing all the way back, so that was the reason here. Twenty seconds remaining. I just closed half. So I'm gonna add the positions back once this candle breaks this low over here. Yeah, I think it should be rejecting this area and going all the way down. Let's see here. Let's get ready here to add the positions back. Actually, the momentum it's showing right now, the next one candle will be wicking, make a wick up and should fall down to this trend line, and it will be breaking this trend line and finally go down to test this low. So that's the idea behind this trade over here. But I'm only executing these trades over here once it crosses below this price over here, only after that, not before that. So look, it just came close to this and rejected all the way, and it's going up. So it just needs to stay below this area of resistance at this point. Also, I'm ready here to close another half if the market goes against me. Let's see how this candle will be closing. I closed another half at this point. Oh, on this account it just got stubbed out. Let's see. Okay, so I just got stopped out here, and yeah, that's it. That's it for the day, and let's see how the candles are moving. Okay, so guys, I'll just call it a day here, because I was expecting the market to go down, so it didn't go up and it didn't go down. So that means the market is just playing with us, and I have just touched my daily limit here, 4.8%. So I'm done for the day. So let's meet tomorrow, and I'm calling it a day here. Take care, everybody. Just do not overtrade, do not over risk. Enjoy your day.